Y is for you, voice. Hanging on. You are a leaf, hanging on to the branch through wind and rain, hanging on as you turn red, hanging on until spring releases winter. You watch as others let go. You watch as they drop, but you hang on, because you want to hang on the longest. You want to be the very the last to release your grip, the last to drop. You want to be the last to let go of the bar that's held tight in your fists, hanging onto the record in PE. So you say to yourself, you are a leaf. Hang on, hang on. So this is another metaphor poem. Our red leaf here is representing something. What is this red leaf representing? We know that this whole poem isn't just about the leaf. So again, what else is the author trying to use this red leaf as to tell us something?